tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love. So I really...
Right, I'm back, and today, like I said in the past, I've not been this algae stuff on this driveway. Probably see it there. Not so bad here because I have treated this bit, but like you see, this bit's of moss, and so that's the thing with block paving. And you can see the, hopefully you can see it's green. So the catcher's out. I'm just going to rinse it off first and then let it dry, and then after I've done that, I've got some stuff which I'm going to treat the drive with, and let's see if it works, because it's a bit of a pain in the backside. That's what I'm going to do anyway today. As you can see, Jan's not here, she's at home, so I've just got to do this while we're here. Little Ace is with me though, right you lad, he's here. So this stuff apparently is supposed to be good, but one of the review I've read about it says it's not as good as he thought it was going to be. So let's see ourselves. I might as well just give the car a rinse over as well. But yeah, let's crack on and get it done. So I've started with the Karcher, obviously just rinsing a bit of the stuff off, and then once I've got, it's just a little green, I'm using this little brush thing as well. That's 12 quid. I put a link on Amazon, it comes with the handle as well, and you get 2 ends of this. But yeah, it's quite good. Okay, straight out. It's just like moss. I mean, that stuff I'm going to be using, I'll show you in a bit. It's never going to get rid of the moss, but with this brush and rinsing it off and then putting the stuff on, it's all going to help. So you can see it's bringing it out quite nice, this. And then for your stubborn ones, you got the little rake on the end. You don't really need it if it's only light. So yeah. I'm only doing this with one hand, look. I'm going to crack on with this. I'm not going to bore you watching me rake some moss out. So I'll crack on with this bit, and I'll come back to you when we're doing a bit more jet washing. So like I say, I'm just going to get the looseness of it off. I mean, this is a big drive, isn't it? So I'm going to be here for a while. So I'll come back to you when I start doing the jet washing again. See you in a minute. That could be pretty hard work, that. I'm not used to it. Anyway, you see I've got most of it out there. I'll just get the jet wash on it. This stuff, what I've got, like I say, I will show you. It's supposed to be, well, you'll see a thumbnail of it anyway, what I'm using. But you have to bring it this driveway up, any driveway, home driveway. This is the biggest driveway we've got. One at home's not as big as this, but it's not block paved either. But this one is. So it's like the moss always seems to attach to it, and it's not just us here, it's everybody, to be honest. Everybody's. That's enough of watching that, isn't it? Right. Next one you're going to see is me, this drying off. It's going to let it dry off once I've done it. Then I'll come back to you and I'll show you the stuff I'm putting on. Right, it's all been jet washed off, but I can still see bits of green in the blocks. So hopefully, when I put my treatment on it, it gets rid of it. At least I've took the worst of it off. And let's see if it does work. And you can, I'm not going to, but you can use it on plastics as well. So if there was any like green mould on the posts or anything like that, or the wooden fencing, you can put it on that as well, which you can see a little bit of green coming on that. It's not been treated yet, and that's got to be treated this year, so we've got to do that as well. I'm going to bring the stones up a little bit, see, put some of that stuff on there as well, on the stones, to stop any like algae growing on it. But it doesn't see, it seems to be mostly on this side where the green is. On there, on that side. That's where the green seems to be coming more. I have treated that last time, so that's not too bad, but I'm still going to go over it all. And I'm not going to do it in one video. You're going to probably see, you'll see me doing it now, but then in a couple of weeks time I'll show you what it's turned out like with the stuff. But yeah, hopefully it's good, as well, as good as they say it is. There was only 1 or 2 reviews which said it's a 5-to-1 ratio, and he said it didn't work too good, but his paving and his flags and everything was proper green mouldy. And at least, like I said, like I've done, it's just pre-rinsed it, pre-jet washed it. Got to go back over with the brush a bit more, some more little bits of moss somewhere places, like here I've just noticed. And job should be a good one. This is the stuff I've got, wet and forget. Mould itching and algae remover, up to 300 square meters. So tiles, paving, brick, cladding, and it does do the fences as well, the wooden fences. So I'm going to get my bottle now, a little pump spray bottle, get that filled up. I'm going to put 1 litre in, and I'm going to do it up to the 5 litre mark. This is the pump spray. I'm going to put 1 litre in of the solution and then top it up to 5. So basically it's 1 in 4, isn't it, instead of 1 in 5. Let's see how we'll go with that. So I'm dead on 1 litre there, well, a little bit more. That's it, litre. I'll go and top it up with some water to 5 litres, like that. Put my little pump nozzle in, screw that in. And that's ready for when that's dry. But it's not dry yet. Another hour, half an hour, it might be. drying up, but not yet. I enjoy doing things like this because you can see the end results of it, and it's not my catcher. Obviously I'm always cleaning cars, but my catcher is one of my main things, my main gadgets I love. But doing this driveway, it just gives that that feeling of you've done something. You can see the end result of it. I think that's the most important thing when you do something. You can see a good result at the end of it. And that's what I'm looking forward to. I just got to make sure that it's dry first. Then I can put the wet and forget on. Forgot the name of it then. Yeah, forgot. It's like last year when I did the decking, just before, I think it was September, October, I forget when it was, and it still needs doing again, and we've still got to give everything a wipe down, get everything right. But this little brush thing from Amazon, like I say, I'll put a link on, and it's a good solid angle, and you get 2 of these, and it's whipped through all that. Thing is, you keep going back and you think, oh, missed a bit, because there's that many blocks there. My eyes aren't that good anymore. But yeah, it's got a lot out, a hell of a lot. And come on, hurry up and dry, and we can get some stuff on. He's never far away, you lad. Yeah. This dog just loves sunbathing, don't you? Hmm? Being a good boy, ain't you? Yeah. He loves being called a good boy, don't you? Oh God. I'm still waiting. So what else can I do? I'll go and have a cup of tea while I'm waiting for it to dry off. So let's start spraying. It's dry enough as it is anyway, so just sections of it. I have done a bit while you've not been here, but you don't want to be watching me just putting the stuff on. So I thought I'd just go and carry on and do it. And what I've done so far is up it all down here, up to here. So it's not going to do overnight this. Apparently it can take up to 2 weeks. Up to now I've used 3 litres. And that's quite a lot really, but I've only, as long as it does the drive and the side round the back, I'm happy with that. So time will tell. Time will tell how good it is. I've given it a good coating anyway, as you can see. I can get over here and do this bit. It's just a matter of like doing a box section at a time, a long box section, but it's still a box section. If it works, brilliant. If it doesn't, I'll tell you it don't work good. But I'm not going to say it's good if it's not. And I have bought it myself. I haven't been given it. Do you know what? Even if I've been given it, I'd still give you an honest review about it. If it's good or bad. Like I say, I've missed a few bits there with the moss bit. So like I say, I will give you an honest review about this. If it is good, I'll tell you it's good. If it's not so good, I'll tell you. But I'm not going to say it's good if it's not. Even if I hadn't been given it, I'd still tell you. Sorry, if I'd been given it, I'd still tell you the honest truth, because I rely on subscribers and viewers watching my channel, knowing that I'm giving you my honest opinion about things and my thoughts about the things as well. The other thing as well, how true it is I don't know, but you can use it on artificial grass as well, and obviously the fencing, like I said before, you can use it on that. But this garden needs tidying up. I've got to do all down back of here as well, tidy this up and see what happens. Let's get the old, well, new little scraper out. So what this can do for us up at the back. Oh yeah, lovely. The moss gets everywhere, doesn't it? You can see how, I'm not doing it lightly with one hand, you can see how easy it is. Excuse me. Lately I've had a hell of a frog in my throat. Block paving. Looks lovely when it's down, but keeping up with it, not so good, is it? But keep on top of it. Hopefully this year as well, get some block pave sealants in it as well. So I've warmed up a little bit now, not a lot, but you can see now. I'm just going to show you. It's all dried. Yeah, you can see that as, and that's only like 4 hours. 4 hours and it's come up like that, and it's still working. It's still working, still doing something. And like I say, it's just like it's as if it's burnt the algae. It's like a dust effect on it. So it's like it's burnt it off. And would I recommend it? Yeah, definitely. Definitely recommend it. And I've just got a little bit of green on the gate. I've just sprayed that now with it at the bottom. And I've done the rest of the path going down. So hopefully that comes off as well. And there's I missed a bit here, so I've just sprayed it on that bit. Yeah, it's all dried off pretty good. So thanks for watching. Just a video about what stuff to use on your driveways and what is good, and that is good. And I'll put the link in the description for the products I've used and that tool, because that tool was brilliant, to be honest. And I'll catch you all soon on the next one. It's got to be a bike ride next, it's got to be, because I need to get out on it. I'm missing it. So bye for now, I'll see you all soon in the next one. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe. Doesn't cost anything. Bye for now.